Hello, good evening. So, I have come back with another new case studies. So, this case studies is one of the best case studies, um, and people, I know you have heard the case study. You have heard the name, the CRED. I will discuss about CRED case studies, and so the people CRED one of the most one of the most uh, you know first startup business. CRED is one of the most business fascinating startup business case studies in the world Indian ecosystem. So, 2 years, CRED literally turns up to 2 years. CRED literally turns a unicorn. CRED massively, like went from zero to $20 billion valuation, and became one of the youngest Indian startup 2020. So, but one thing I would like to mention: CRED went a massive loss of 360 crores one that time, but after the 2020, and from massive increasing of 429% from 2019. So the question is now, how CRED will how CRED is become how CRED became the one of the youngest uh, Indian startup ecosystem. How they managed all of this. So the thing is, and how is that CRED is getting so much funding? What exactly is Kunal's strategy? What was the CRED strategy? What was the marketing, and what was the idea about behind this? Is such a massive loss to zero to $2 billion profitable. It's not it's not a joke. So the beauty of the case studies is that if you only understand the CRED is doing, what CRED is doing, so you will more or less understand the large chunk of Indian startup ecosystem. So most of the giant company, great company, LTD company are using similar kind of strategy and fashion, like Geo and Pharmacy and Ola. This they excessively work on altering the behavioral design of the society. Though anticipation of behavioral design is what makes them $1 billion company. It means they uh, they literally expensed their all of the money, all of the funding to build their user first. Then also they went losses for in crores. They went losses in crores. After that they become they make $1 billion. company. So this golden strategy works out in 4 steps basically. First of all, identify what we call cash burn. Okay, so first of all, for phase 1, what we call cash burn, like before I said कि they spend more money to get a particular user, particular particular a dream customer of their company. So they spend enough money to get their dream customer. So first identify the major problem the society they what they identify. First major problem in the Indian society, whichever society, first they identify, and second is the identify, second is the fix that problem. No, second is to fix that problem, and feed raises $1 million of funding. Third one is customer to use product by giving unlimited offer to like it feels like so good to be true. So the thing is, like Jio, what Jio did, in first what Jio did exactly when Jio rolled out. So he gave unlimited free SIM. First of all, free SIM, free internet, free calling. So they gave us free, or people are dying to buy it. People are dying to buy it, and also lots of huge and lots of rush after they got a Jio SIM, and people are using it. So it's been 1.5 years. It's going like Jio gave us free unlimited data on unlimited internet, and unlimited free SIM, and free SIM and free call. So basically that was the strategy. It's a strategy to get their customer, and the dream customer, and the valuable customer, and the actual customer. So then so like this CRED also rolled out in 2018. They identified 3 biggest pain of credit card holders, like hidden charges, late fees due to forget fees, and extra interest. So basically they found it. So after that, phase 2 comes in, habituated. So like Jio, people are using free SIMs, free all of free internet, and free fast internet, and free calling. So people have habituated it. So we all have habituated to this new fun luxury of internet. Similarly, CRED have 2 to 3 जो people have 2 to 3 credits, founded a simple to use CRED that they stopped convention edge method. So then it comes to phase 3, irreversibility, like its example, Google Maps. If you are using Google Maps, and you don't have to remember your roads and kind of roads and direction you don't need to remember. So exactly like that. Also, I even don't remember own gullies and own village road, own city. Also, we don't have to remember. So CRED is also no longer have to remember what credit card bills due, and do not bother about late fees, do not bother about their extra charges. So what the people don't have to remember what the hell are money is going. So you see, once these companies Ola, like example Ola, we don't have to search for taxi and autos in anywhere, like anywhere. So you see, once these companies change, you see, when this company came in their has been a irreversible change. It means we cannot reverse our it thinks ki we cannot imagine if your Google map doesn't exist, then what to do. You know what I'm trying to say. We cannot even imagine, like if Google Maps doesn't exist, so what we can do. If Ola can I'm literally addict to Ola and Uber. Genuinely, I'm literally, anywhere I go use Uber and cab, and we don't even also we don't even buy a car. And also see, I don't if I'm those people. I'm like those people, like I don't have to I don't like to use public transportation. So not just because it's very clumsy and very crowd, and also chances of theft. So that's why I don't use public transportation. So I always Ola. So I'm literally addict, and I can't imagine if Ola doesn't exist. So if Ola won't exist, so I'm gonna do, I have to buy a car and or Ola bikes and whatever. I have to, seriously. But so this is called irreversibility. We can't irreversible. So where the small act, a booking a cab or paying a credit card or bill, has changed to such a large extent that we will never even go back to our past ecosystem. So this was our phase 3 and phase 4 profitability. After that, there is the point all the companies are, they analysis all, they stepped out all this process, like step phase 1, phase 2. Like phase 1, identify the main issues or problems, and secondly phase 2, and habituated. Okay, they make us literally they found our problem, then gave us free unlimited services. Then we are become loyal customer. We are become more loyal customer. Then we also we have got habituated. Then phase 3, we can't reverse civility. We can't we can't even imagine if they our product don't exist, and what we will do. So phase 3 up and then phase 4. If any today's Geo subscription like 300 and something or 400 something, if it will go now 600, then people also buy it simply. So that is the thing. If it's becoming more expensive, people will buy it. So the phase 4 is completely, they actually have habituated and addiction, it's called addiction, their product, and make profitable the customer CRED are by default. And the thing is, CRED's customer is by default riches of 1% of the India, yeah, of the country. They have dream customer of every company. Literally, they have dream customer of every company. So also I would like to mention, CRED also help us some kind of some area, like the CRED knew who is the lots of, actually he can help us with lots of save our money. Like how actually he or she actually he knew कि what the by अगर Rahul, if what Rahul how many how much spent their money to buy something, some expensive. So they have the all of data, and also they help us very some kind of some areas to lot of save our money. So it was today's case study, it was all of this. So you guys know me. If you find out this video you make us valuable, so please like and subscribe. Thank you.